Hey everyone, so here is another installment video of working on our house here, and today we're going to be working on getting the carpet out of the den room. Also want to work on getting some of the paint off of the wood finishes in this room as well. So we got our work cut out for us in this room, but let's just dig into the mess. All right, let's do it.
Doing all the hard work for me. Yeah. Today I'm going to be stripping a bunch of paint off of our knotty pine that is in the den. This is the stuff that I got. It was recommended by quite a few forums for like vintage restoring of knotty pines. I got my cup. Hopefully this doesn't melt the plastic, so we'll see. Let's go ahead and give this a try. So it said to test an inconspicuous area. I'm gonna kind of get it in there, kind of goop it to see if that makes a difference. And now we wait 30 minutes. It doesn't really look any different, but I got my little scrapers, so let's give it a go. Comes off pretty well. All right, it works. Hooray! Let's do the rest. 3 inches done. A whole bookcase to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for what we've all been waiting for, stripping of the paint. Ooh, yeah. Take it off, baby. Oh my God, y'all, I know it has only been mere minutes for you, but for us, it was months between us when we first started stripping the wood and working on this room until we finally were able to lay floors. So it was such a huge relief when we finally got these floors laid, and we decided to do some laminate in here because it was budget mindful and it was resilient to our pets. This room is still a work in progress for sure. We have some trouble areas to address in the stripping process. I still have this panel to do. We also discovered that some of our crown molding had been replaced, so we need to find a source for that. We need to decide on room transitions as well, and we have some damage from powder post beetles to address as well. Phew. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.
Really gross carpet.